Hello everyone. Welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel, your go-to YouTube channel for daily job updates and top-notch RPA training. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Stay updated with the latest job opportunities and learn RPA skills that can boost your career. Job alert. Cognizant is hiring RPA developer, senior RPA developer and architect. Job title: RPA developer, senior RPA developer and architect. RPA tools: automation anywhere, Blue Prism, UiPath, Power Automate. Work location Pan India. Experience 1.3 to 5 years, 1.5 to 7 years, and 8 to 10 years. Exciting opportunity at Cognizant for RPA developers, senior RPA developers, and architects. If interested, please share your updated resume to indu.velusamy@cognizant.com. Apply now or share with your network. Tag your friends or colleagues who are looking for a job change. All the best. For RPA training, contact us. Subscribe, like, and share.